Balancing work, travel, and family life, tips for frequent flyers. Balancing work, travel, and family life, tips for frequent flyers. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, many professionals find themselves constantly on the go due to work-related travel. However, with careful planning, effective communication, and a few handy tips, frequent flyers can find ways to maintain a healthy work-life balance and nurture their relationships with loved ones. 1. Prioritize and plan ahead. The first step towards managing the demands of work, travel, and family life is to prioritize and plan ahead. Assess your work commitments and determine which trips are non-negotiable and which can be adjusted or rescheduled. Communicate with your family members and involve them in the decision-making process. By setting priorities and planning well in advance, you can minimize conflicts and optimize your time spent with both work and family. 2. Leverage technology. In today's digital age, there are ample tools and technologies available to help bridge the gap between work, travel, and family life. Take advantage of video calls, instant messaging apps, and social media platforms to stay connected with your loved ones while on the road. Schedule regular virtual family meetings or dates to catch up, share experiences, and maintain a sense of togetherness. Technology can play a significant role in keeping the lines of communication open and ensuring that distance does not hinder your relationships. 3. Make the most of weekends and time off. When you are a frequent flyer, maximizing your time at home becomes essential. Prioritize spending quality time with your family during weekends and whenever you have time off from work travel. Plan activities that allow you to strengthen bonds, create lasting memories, and unwind together. Consider scheduling family outings, picnics, or even short vacations during these periods. By making the most of your time at home, you can compensate for any time spent away and maintain a sense of balance. 4. Establish routines and rituals. Consistency is crucial in maintaining stability for both yourself and your family. Establishing routines and rituals can help create a sense of normalcy amidst the constant flux of work travel. Whether it's having a family dinner at a fixed time each day or reading a bedtime story to your children via video call, these routines solidify the connection between work, travel, and family life. Put effort into maintaining these rituals even when you are away, as they provide a sense of comfort and familiarity for your loved ones. 5. Involve your family in your travels. Make an effort to involve and engage your family in your work travels. Share stories, experiences, and photos from your trips with them. Encourage your children to ask questions about the places you visit, and include them in your travel preparations whenever possible. By involving your family in your work travels, you create a sense of shared experiences and excitement. This not only strengthens your bonds but also helps your loved ones understand the importance of your work and the efforts you make for your family. 6. Seek support and delegate responsibilities. It's essential to have a strong support system when you are a frequent flyer. Reach out to your partner, family members, and friends for assistance and support in managing household responsibilities. While you are away, delegate tasks such as childcare, chores, and logistics, and ensure that you express your gratitude for their help. By sharing the load, you can alleviate stress and guilt, knowing that your family is well taken care of in your absence. 7. Take care of yourself. Amidst the demands of work, travel, and family life, it's crucial not to neglect self-care. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being, even when you are away from home. Maintain healthy habits. Sook. H is regular exercise, proper nutrition, and enough rest. Use your travel time to indulge in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. By taking care of yourself, you can ensure that you have the energy and resilience to manage both work and family responsibilities effectively. 8. Embrace flexibility. Flexibility is crucial when it comes to managing work, travel, and family life. Understand that unexpected changes in your travel schedule or family commitments may arise. Embrace flexibility and be prepared to adapt your plans accordingly. Communicate effectively with both your work and family to find solutions that accommodate everyone's needs. By being flexible, you can reduce stress and maintain a sense of balance even in challenging situations. 9. Plan family traditions and special occasions. Maintaining family traditions and celebrating special occasions is important for creating cherished memories and strengthening family bonds. However, frequent travel may make it challenging to be physically present for every celebration. Plan ahead and find creative ways to participate in these events, even when you are away. This could involve sending thoughtful gifts, organizing surprises, or scheduling video calls during important moments. By making an effort to be part of these traditions and occasions, you can show your loved ones that they are always in your thoughts, regardless of your physical distance. 10. Take advantage of travel benefits. If your work travel involves accruing airline miles or hotel loyalty points, take advantage of these benefits to create meaningful experiences for your family. Consider using your accumulated points for family vacations or special trips when you have time off. This allows you to enjoy quality time together while also making the most of the perks earned from your frequent travel. By turning your work travel benefits into family adventures, you can create lasting memories and make the separation more rewarding for everyone involved. 11. Communicate openly and honestly. Effective communication is the foundation of any successful relationship, especially when managing the demands of work travel and family life. Be open and honest with your family about the challenges you face and the efforts you make to balance both worlds. Listen to their concerns and address them with empathy. Regularly check in with each other to ensure that everyone feels heard and understood. D. By maintaining clear and open lines of communication, you can navigate any difficulties together and strengthen your relationships. 12. Seek work-life integration. Rather than viewing work travel and family life as separate entities, strive for work-life integration. Find ways to bring elements of your personal life into your work travel and vice versa. For example, if you are visiting a new city for work, explore opportunities to involve your family by planning family-friendly activities during your free time. Alternatively, bring elements of your work travel into your family life by sharing interesting cultural experiences or connecting with people you meet on your trips. By integrating work and family in meaningful ways, you create a more holistic and fulfilling experience for everyone involved. 13. Be present and engaged. When you are physically present with your family, make a conscious effort to be fully engaged and present in the moment. Put away distractions such as work emails or social media and focus on connecting with your loved ones. Participate actively in conversations, activities, and experiences. Show genuine interest and attentiveness, making your presence meaningful. By being fully present, you can maximize the quality of your time together and foster deeper connections. 14. Reflect and reassess.